Every harvest begins with science, precision, and respect for nature.
Careful observation ensures every plant reaches its full potential. Technology delivers exactly what every crop requires.
Only the finest vegetables are selected for processing.
Precision harvesting preserves freshness from the very first cut.
Every harvested crate is tracked from field to factory. Accurate data ensures complete traceability throughout production.
Fresh harvests move quickly to preserve natural quality.
Controlled transportation protects freshness every kilometer.
The journey from scientific farming now continues inside the factory.
Every delivery enters a carefully controlled processing environment.
Quality verification begins before processing even starts. Automation moves every harvest with speed and precision.
The first sorting stage protects the quality of every batch.
The cleaning process begins with carefully controlled preparation. Pure water removes field residue while preserving freshness. Gentle circulation cleans every leaf without causing damage. Removing excess moisture prepares vegetables for precise inspection.
Advanced vision systems guarantee exceptional consistency. Now the harvest enters the heart of modern food processing. Automation begins with perfectly controlled product flow.
Every cut is engineered for consistency and freshness.
Uniform sizing ensures reliable processing at every stage.
A final rinse preserves cleanliness without compromising quality.
Controlled drying prepares every batch for precision handling.
Human expertise complements advanced automation. Hygienic transport protects freshness throughout production. Real-time monitoring keeps every process operating at peak efficiency.
Balanced production maintains both quality and efficiency.
The harvest is now ready for its most advanced transformation.
Precision automation keeps every product moving with perfect consistency. Every processing condition is controlled to preserve natural quality. Every portion is measured with exceptional precision.
Advanced vision systems maintain the highest production standards. The controlled conditions protect freshness throughout the process.
Automation ensures every movement is accurate and repeatable.
Perfect alignment prepares every product for final processing.
Continuous monitoring keeps every production line performing at its best.
The final refinement stage is ready to begin. Now every detail is refined before the final quality inspection. Every final detail contributes to exceptional product quality. Precision finishing creates uniform products ready for market. Advanced inspection confirms consistent visual excellence.
Accurate portion control ensures consistency in every package.
Intelligent automation maintains a continuous production rhythm.
Pure filtered air preserves freshness before final inspection. Human expertise provides the final assurance of quality. Complete traceability follows every batch through production. Before packaging, every batch must pass rigorous scientific testing.
Scientific verification ensures every product meets the highest standards.
Every batch begins its final journey through scientific verification. Visual precision confirms consistency before advanced analysis.
Every measurement verifies manufacturing precision.
Freshness is measured through careful scientific evaluation.
Strict hygiene supports reliable laboratory testing.
Automation delivers accurate and repeatable laboratory analysis. Every approved result strengthens confidence in the final product. Scientific approval clears the way for final packaging.
Quality-tested products move confidently toward the final stage.
With every test complete, the products are ready for their final journey. Automation preserves freshness with speed and precision. Secure packaging protects quality from factory to customer. Every package carries its complete production history. Robotic handling keeps every shipment efficient and consistent. Finished products are organized for safe transportation. Careful storage preserves quality until delivery.
The cold chain continues beyond the factory. From research fields to distribution, every step is carefully engineered.
And this is how modern factories produce fresh vegetables from start to finish. Innovation, science, and precision bring fresh vegetables from the field to the world.